Today, we gather here to celebrate Doctors' Day. First of all, clapping for the doctors. Now, thank you is very small word for all the doctors. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Neelam for her enlightening words on Doctors' Day. Just a two-liner. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Doctors' Day to all of you. I am privileged to welcome you all on this special day. Becoming doctor is the dream of most of the children, and why not, as it is most noble profession. We have dedicated team of specialists and super specialists who are treating all type of patients irrespective of caste, creed or financial status. We are number 2 in the Punjab to treat the Ayushman patients after PGI Chandigarh. Hospital is proud to have you all working here with dedication, ethics and empathy. Thanks a lot for your hard work, knowledge, skill and care for the patients. You will shine like star and take the hospital to the next level. Thank you.
So let's go further with the game called as Pehchano to Jane. We will be showing some childhood pics of our few doctors. Pehchano. Yes, ma'am. Dr. Amanat. Or any more
guess? Dr. Rupinder, right? Dr. Amanat.
Dr. Rupinder is right. देखो इस गलत है. Okay, next. ये सबसे ज़्यादा easy है. Please clap. Any guess?
Dr. Rupinder.
यही हो सकता है. Actually childhood की pic इन्होंने ही दी है. जो बिल्कुल नहीं पहचानी.
हाँ.
Dr. Anuj.
Yes.
Okay. चलो करो. ये कैसे पहचाना? So Dr. Ashish Sharma, please come forward. जिसका बच गया लास्ट में वो विनर है, पर इसलिए जल्दी जल्दी करिएगा. Come. 1, 2, 3, start. अब डॉक्टर सूर्या पकड़ना नहीं है, don't do that. पकड़ो मत.
Thank you very much and wish you all a very very happy Doctors' Day. And there are so many moments. अभी एकदम ऐसे याद करके बोलने वाला तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. The most important thing is that we should not just focus about treating the disease, but treating the patient. Second, what will make us greater in the eyes of our patients and in our own eyes is just not to care about the treatment, but to ensure that his whole experience in the hospital is good. Thank you very much and many congratulations and greetings for this wonderful day. May we all grow up, rise and meet our patients' expectations. Thank you very much.